Yes, hi. So that's an ILC business class fare, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. I have the password right. I'm sorry, I seem to have lost the password for my boss's airline account. Let me call you right back. All right, where did I put it? Where could I have put it? Where did I put it? Where could I have put it? Where did I... Oh. No. 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 I'm gonna have to call her. I'm gonna have to tell her I lost the password. It's unbelievable. I lost her password. Celeste, I am so sorry, but I lost your airline password. I know it was such a disorganized thing for me to do, but if you give me another chance, I know I can make it right.
Oh, honey, I can't even remember what I had for dinner last night with my busy schedule. Don't worry. That's why we use KeePass Pro with everyone in the company.
What's that?
Oh, it's an app by Witivio that helps make our lives easier. We have to worry about which high heels to pack in our carry-ons and not waste our time remembering things KeePass Pro can do for us. I just forgot to share it with you earlier because I've been swamped with the final designs, but I'll send it to you now.
Oh, great, Celeste. Thank you so much. Yeah,